So 2000 XR650. Look at that. That's amazing. It's like 40 degrees out here, 45 or something like that. Chilly. So we're gonna let it, that was without the choke, so give it a little choke. Oh yeah, probably need some gas. That might be a good thing to turn on the gas. My buddy did that at the dirt bike field one time. Had to walk back and tell me he couldn't start it. And then it was just the gas was off. There we go. All right, so we'll let it warm up a little bit, but then I'm gonna take it for a test ride just to see if it's more responsive than the OEM carb, which I'm sure it will be. And then I'll change the oil. This thing's been sitting in my garage for a year. I never changed oil when I got it, so I will change oil and do all that. Let it warm up before I give it any gas. Oh, the big old thumpus. I gotta adjust the idle, of course. All right, I'm on a little take it for a spin. Later.